All right, the next add-on we will look at is the subscriptions add-on. This add-on is perfect for all of those businesses that are subscription based, such as gyms or yoga class, maybe a martial arts school, pretty much any business where the client pays a certain amount every certain amount of time. All right, so to check it out, let's go ahead and log in. All right, and if I go to the add-on section, just to make sure that the add-on has been enabled. Okay, and what this will do is it'll give me greater functionality inside the inventories section. Now let's go ahead and go into the item section. Now here we usually have all of our products. In our case, we're going to have subscriptions. So we have a basic package and we have a pro membership. Let me go ahead and add another type of subscription. We'll go ahead and give it a product ID of 12 and we'll give it an item name of premium package, and we'll keep it in the subscription category, and we'll go ahead and add a description for this particular subscription. Okay, so in this case I have a gym, and this subscription will give the client access to all areas of the gym plus a personal trainer. Now here at the bottom we have to specify that this is a service item and it does not have a quantity, meaning that unlike, for example, a traditional product like a t-shirt or maybe shoes, which have a certain amount, in our case, since it's a service, there's really no limit to how much service we can give. So we'll go ahead and select this, and a new field will pop up called subscription. Let's go ahead and add that. And now it's asking us how often this subscription will be paid. In my case, I'll go ahead and place monthly. And once we have all of this, all we have to do is set up a price for that specific subscription. So let's go ahead and say this is going to cost the subscriber $39.99. And since the cost price is the same for this particular type of service, we'll go ahead and keep it that way. So once I submit, this will add that particular subscription to my items. So if I go back to items, you'll see that it has been added. And so now all we have to do is, whenever there's a customer coming into our gym and we want to sell that specific subscription, all we would have to do is go to the point of sale. So since this is the first time I'm coming in, it's asking me for an opening amount. I'll go ahead and give it an opening amount. And now, let's say, for example, there's a gal walking in and wants the premium subscription. So all I would have to do is search for the premium package, select, and it will be added to the sale. Now I can optionally set a discount in case, for example, I have a promotion for the month, or I just want to give a discount. I can go ahead and set that here or here. Now, when it comes to subscription, you do have to add your client. That way you can keep track of their subscriptions. So I'll click on Add Client, and here I'll go ahead and add name. You could optionally add an email and a phone number if you'd like. Let me go ahead and add that as well. You could even choose an image for that specific client if you wish to do so. You could even add the address information. And once you're finished with that, all you have to do is select submit here, and this will add the client. So this will take you back to your sale, and now you have Jane Doe added to the sale. So it'll know that this subscription is for this person. So now all that is left to do is to add the payment. So let's say they'll pay with a cash. Go ahead and add the payment. And you could add any additional comments you'd like. I'll go ahead and keep that the way it is. And once I complete the sale, this will generate a receipt for our client. Now, if you notice here, you can print it. And in the receipt itself, it'll tell the client when their renewal date will be. In my case, it'll be 1 month from now. So down at the bottom, there's a brief description of that premium package we set. In our case, it's telling them that they'll have access to all areas of the gym, plus a personal trainer. So this is how you would complete a subscription. Now, let's say you have many subscribers to your business. The way you would check how everything is going is under the reports. You go to all reports, and here under the subscriptions report, you'll be able to see all of your subscribers, which subscriber has paid their subscription, and which subscriber is due to or overdue for their subscription. So I'll go ahead and click on the subscriptions report, and it's going to ask for a range, and you could add a custom range here. You could add for the last 7 days. You could add for any type of date. So I'll go ahead and say the last 7 days, and then you could optionally specify if it's canceled and not canceled. I'll go ahead and select canceled and not canceled. And then once I submit this, what it will do is show me all of my subscribers, their names, their type of subscription, how often the subscription lasts. In our case, they're all monthly. The selling price and the sale date, meaning when we sold the subscription. Renewal date, meaning when they have to renew the subscription. The status, whether it's paid or it's due. And then here at the right, you can cancel anybody's subscription at any time. So this is how the subscription add-on works. As you can see, it's very useful for keeping track of all of your subscribers in case your business functions on subscriptions. Let's go ahead and move on to the next add-on.